The COUNTIF function. This function allows you to count text and numbers if they meet a certain condition within the specified range. In this example, we're going to ask the COUNTIF function to tell us how many times the word apple appears in the range. We start the formula, and because we're going to be looking for text, the word apples, we have to put them in double inverted commas, otherwise the formula will not function. In the next example, we're going to ask COUNTIF to calculate how many times a product ends with ES. In this case, we're going to use the star, which is the equivalent of a joker, and telling it we don't know what it starts with, but they're all finished with ES. In this example, I did not put the double inverted commas to show to you that the formula will not function unless I have, because we're putting text within a formula. We can also calculate formulas via the function wizard. When you click on the function wizard, you can go and look for your formula, type in there COUNTIF, say go, and there it'll tell you what it's going to do, and you can enter the formula this way. In this case, we're going to look how often does the value 54 occur within that specified range. It's already telling you it appears twice, say OK, and it inserts the formula into your spreadsheet.